Hello again, everyone. Tim with Tim's Computer Repair. Listen, if you are an author, content creator, blogger, do social media marketing, or anyone else who makes a living from writing articles of any kind on any platform, you need to pay attention to this video. I'm going to be talking about a new type of AI called ChatGPT. Now, if you've never heard of ChatGPT, this is a new type of AI that is trained on a massive data set of text from the internet, giving the architecture an almost endless amount of content to scrape. Let's dive right in and see how this ChatGPT works. If you go to Google, type in ChatGPT in the search box, you will see a listing for a link that says OpenAI. Click on that, and that will take you to the OpenAI website. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. OpenAI is a research organization found in 2015 with the goal of ensuring that artificial intelligence benefits all of humanity. It was co-founded by several tech enthusiasts, including Elon Musk. ChatGPT is based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture, which uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. ChatGPT is trained on a massive data set of text from the internet, which allows it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and questions. It can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. Because of its large size and training data, ChatGPT is able to generate highly coherent and fluent text, making it useful for applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and language-based games. Now, while you are on the OpenAI website, you'll notice up top there you can view introducing ChatGPT research and release. That'll give you some more information about ChatGPT, but you will have to create an account through OpenAI in order to use this architecture. Once you have successfully created an account, you'll see Try up here at the top right. Just click on that, and this will take you to the actual interface. So as you can see here, you have some brief examples, capabilities, and limitations. In the middle of the screen on the left, you have your past requests or searches. Then if you come down here to the bottom left, you have some other options, including dark mode. That's what we're going to select here. I like my dark mode. Nice. Now keep in mind, this architecture has been trained to decline inappropriate requests. This may occasionally generate inaccurate information. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. It's also limited to the knowledge of the world and events after 2021. But let's type in a little something here. How to install a water cooler in a desktop computer. Press enter, and there you go. It starts giving you step-by-steps, general way to install water cooler in a desktop computer. It even gives a little footnote at the end that the installation process can vary based on the specific cooler and computer. Okay, let's tell it to put it in essay format. Write an essay, write a short essay on how to install a water cooler in a desktop PC. And as you can see, it gives you sort of the same information, except it's kind of in an essay format now. You can change different formats, make requests on it to give you information in different formats. This is very convenient for writers, content creators who need different formats for their content. As you can see, the essay format is much more in-depth, and grammar, spelling are pretty much correct. Even wraps up the essay at the end with a nice little finishing paragraph. You see, this can be used in many ways to help and enhance the blogger or the content creator. But at the same time, it can also be used to almost replace the content creator to where you don't have to pay a content creator or a blogger any longer, which is kind of concerning. You simply type something in the chat box, proofread it, and slap it up there. Let's type in something else here. Write a 3-paragraph article on the speed of light and press enter. This AI is so smart simply because it has the full use of the entire internet to scrape from, pulling all the information down that you ask it to. Then it puts it in its format that you request. So it is quite amazing. If you pause this and read it when it is finished, you'll see it's quite comprehensive. Very intelligent. Spelling, grammar, and context are spot on, majority of the time. Here's another example of some of the options you can use with this architecture. Let's try something else. Let's try write a short essay with emojis on why cats like playing with hair ties. And here we go. In true essay form, you get a nice paragraph or an essay on that subject. Why cats like playing with hair ties with emojis. And even at the end, it gives a nice little finishing sentence. So next time you can't find your hair tie, just look for the nearest cat. Pretty cool. If you want to clear your conversations, you can do so by clicking Clear Conversations here. And let's try another one. Let's try write a poem about computers. Press enter. And now you can see, look at that. ChatGPT is writing a poem based upon my subject. Quite amazing. When it's done, you can pause it and read it. It's pretty impressive. Just imagine the large amount of different content that you can create with this architecture. Let's move on to social media. Let's try this. Write a tweet about computer repair. And how about that? It conjures up a tweet about computer repair with emojis and a hashtag. Hashtag computer repair, hashtag tech support, hashtag fix it right. That's impressive. Let's throw it a curveball. How about this one? Write a paragraph on how to make fried pickles in the first person. See what it comes up with here. And of course, you're going to get a paragraph with detailed instructions on how to make fried pickles. And it's using the word I. I love fried pickles. I gather my ingredients. It's all in the first person. How about that? But what if we want this recipe in a list? Let's try that. List recipe for fried pickle. Now you can see it's going to give us, as we usually see recipes, in a list format, complete with full instructions on how to prepare your ingredients and mix them correctly. Hey, follow that recipe, you'll have fried pickles. Hey, want to do some HTML coding? Let's ask it to do this. Convert Tim's computer repair on YouTube to HTML. And now you will have the correct HTML code so you can copy and paste that into your web page. Now I'm going to ask it to convert Hello Tim's computer repair from Python to JavaScript. So there it gives me the proper JavaScript line that I'm looking for, that I asked it to do. Of course, we could ask it to do much more advanced coding than what I am showing here. Let's ask it to do this. Create a 2-column table comparing liters and gallons. And as you can see, it starts to comprise a chart comparing those liters and gallons just like I asked. So now I'm going to ask it to rewrite this text. We offer a down-to-earth solution to your PC problems. We understand your frustration and we have the time to deal with your problems. It's going to rewrite that couple of sentences there. Let's see what it comes up with. And it rewrote that as, our solutions to your PC issues is practical and easy to understand. We empathize with your frustration and are dedicated to addressing your problems with patience. Here's another one. Write an intro paragraph to a IT technology book. And right here, it gives you a nice idea or a generalization of what an introduction to an IT book might be. You could take that text and edit it any way you like, but it gives you a nice idea of how that might look. You can pause it and read that. It does a really good job of coming up with an idea that you can go in and change any way you like. So as you can see, the use cases of this architecture is vast. Just to summarize, ChatGPT can do paraphrasing, dataset generation, language translation, code explanation, doc strings generation, programming language conversions, structured output styles, blog writing, writing emails, write songs, write resumes and cover letters, and much more. AI technology has really come a long way. And ChatGPT makes life easier for a lot of content creators and writers. However, I'm a bit concerned that people are just going to stop using and paying content creators and start using AI like this to take the place of their paid content creators. Also, students in college, it's a good way for them to skip writing their own essays or reports. Basically taking away their own thought process to write an essay or a report that will look perfect to a teacher or professor. I think this is the biggest downfall from this amazing AI technology. And to top it all off, it's free. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Tim with Tim's Computer Repair. See you soon.